Hey guys, how's it going? It's Lisa here and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be focusing on the master bedroom. It is in much need of a deep cleaning, reorganization, decluttering, some sort of makeover. It's actually had this layout already for a few years and I kind of just gave up on it and neglected the room, and it's just been somewhere where I just come and just throw things in here. So I hope I gave you some sort of motivation to tackle that one area of your home that you've been neglecting as well. Alright, so first thing first is I want to get rid of a couple of pieces of furniture. For example, this is actually a filing cabinet and I use it as a nightstand. This bedroom set was gifted to us when we got married, but it didn't come with nightstands, so I'm just going to get rid of it and we're just going to move it into the office. Now, this piece of furniture was my mother-in-law's. She gave it to me. It's a jewelry box, and I don't even use it as a jewelry box, all my YouTube stuff, so I'm just going to move it to the closet. Now, here's the tall dresser that my husband sleeps on, so he tends to empty out his pockets and just throw everything up there. So here's the mess that I have. This part can be overwhelming and very tedious, and it's not an easy task, but it has to be done. Now just keep in mind that some of this stuff does have a home for it, and some of this stuff just needs to be thrown away. So on this next scene, you're going to see a piece of plywood. I suffer from back problems, and because my bed sits up so high, and even though I have an extra firm, it actually really does help. So now I'm going to be cleaning. I'm going to vacuum. I'm going to clean the baseboards, the walls.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
So, when doing a whole makeover in your bedroom, you don't need to go and spend hundreds of dollars. These curtains are actually from my living room, and I repurposed them and put them here in my bedroom. So I just want to give a shout out to my son. He was such a little man that day. He wanted to help his dad. So now here, you remember the mirror from the first clip? It sat in the corner of the bedroom. I didn't even use it for what it's for. So we repurposed it, and you're going to see the outcome of how we used the mirror. So I'm just continuing to clean here. This is what I did all around the room. I vacuumed all the baseboards. I cleaned the baseboards with a cleaning solution. I cleaned the walls. So I'm not gonna lie here, this was very overwhelming for me. It took all day. I did have a few breaks throughout my day. I had a couple appointments that we needed to get to, so those were my breaks. But at the end of the day, it is very rewarding. I felt really good about myself finally conquering this task that I've been putting off already for a very long time. Alright, so my light sets, I bought them at Bell's 40% off, so I paid $6 for them. My 8-piece bedding set I bought at Macy's 50% off, so I paid $50. My 3 throw pillows, I bought them at Bell's 40% off, so I paid $31 for all 3. These flowers, I actually had them in my living room, so I brought them in here. This little black container set was actually on the tall dresser with all my husband's little knickknacks, so I repurposed it and put all his colognes there. These lamps, I've actually had them already for a few years. I bought them at Target. And for the 3 vases here, I won these in a Christmas game last year, and I didn't know what to do with them. So they were sitting in my garage sale pile, and it turns out there was a home for them all along. Okay guys, so this is a BZseed Aromatherapy Diffuser for essential oils, and it's a cool mist humidifier. It has a 7-color changing LED light, which each light is adjustable between bright and dim. It has a high mist output for steam and scent, and it also has a time option of 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, and continuous. And it also has an auto water shutoff. And it can also be used as a nightlight without the cover. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and put the link down below, and don't forget to include your 10% coupon at checkout. Thank you guys for watching and joining me on this overwhelming experience. I hope I gave you some motivation to tackle that one area of your room that you've been putting off for quite some time.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.